Hello everyone! I am super sorry from that abrupt ending of the last video. Everything went wrong. My sibling sister started watching it really loud, and I just had to talk to her that I was making videos, and then I realized that I was still recording and I couldn't cut it all out because I already sent in. I forgot to edit it out. And I am super sorry about all of that. But anyways, welcome to the second episode of the thrower class that's modded. I don't know what they call this. The the modded, the throwing that, I don't know what to call it. Maybe comment something below. But yes, I'm back after this, and I'm going to get some new upgrades, such as this. I did not that's not download. Why did I download? No, I want this. Oh, oh, oh. I might try that soon, but not right now. Right now, I'm just. I don't have. Hey. Alright, you can attack me all you want, but once you start attacking my owl, okay, you can start attacking my dad again. I regret informing you that. There we go. I regret to inform you that I regret informing you. Ooh. Ooh, ow, oh god, ow, oh, that was kinda close. Thanks, Maxwell. How come your aim improved so much from last time? Gee. Like, last time you were trying to hit did you hit the enemy and not me? This guy I'm not going to like Max anything at all. Ever. And now I gotta find. Oh yeah, got these new throwing things. Oh, posing. I don't know. These shots. That's not very far. So. Shoot. So these were sold. But the guy you get after you defeat with Grand Thunder, which is our first target. As the I wasn't paying attention. What? Oops, got the phone. No. That's quick. That was so quick death. I literally died 3 milliseconds after I spawned in. Spawn me in. What do you mean there, coach? No, stay away from me. I don't like your shenanigans. I'm sorry for calling them shenanigans. He probably wants to kill me. It's a considerable amount of life. Oh, and he ran away. Of course it is. It's a baby. Stinky. Oh my god, that's a lot more range. That's you. I will take that. Take the boots. That's why not. Now, I am in a cave. It's been long overdue. I need some ores. I need some ores, not I need s'mores. I need some ores. Oh! I mean, that's useful. Ow! Ooh. Ouch. That hurt. That hurt my feelings. My feelings. That hurt. It's all your fault. I can't play it. I'm breaking up with you. No! Stay up there. God, thing. Ever. I missed. I'm scared. No! Oh, okay. No! I don't want to fall. I'm scared. I'm legitimately scared. Alright, I really shouldn't be that scared. Me scared of a video game that isn't even exactly for being scared? I mean, there's some tense things in there. Find a tough boss. Ah! Don't tell me. Aha, I just said pricked. Prick. Why is it not so immune to it? I mean, I guess that would make sense. It doesn't exactly help me, but it makes sense. Hey! Hey! Okay, so this is road damage. Downtown cool stuff. Ah! Huh. So, fire 10%, which is a lot better than this. Same amount of defense. So first, I just need easiest to get is wood. And stay away from me. No, don't die. Don't die again. Snow biome has not been the kindest to me so far. I've already died here once. No. Oh, wait. Thank you. Ah, that's useful, but Sherry, Sue, thank you. I wasn't talking about the loot, I was talking about... Oh. I'm gonna have to cut. That bombs. Yes, I do. I'm gonna get 2 of them. Oh, that was satisfying. And the fact I have acorns. I'll plant those down here. Because why not? Might as well. Oh god. Run. No, I didn't mean to do that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Get away. There we go. Ooh, icy shard. Oh, what I made with our icy shard? I mean, there's that. Why not? Good to try things, you know. These are really good because they're just simple to make and they do a lot more damage. A lot faster. I think. They like move fast. Oh my god, what's that? What the hell is that? What the hell? How did I poison a robot? And why is it scary? Shoo. Just throwing these randomly up. I'm sorry anybody who took damage from those. I died! No! Oh, come on! I forgot to look at my HP. Do I have any ice blocks in here? I don't think I do. I do have wolfram shards. Oh yeah, those little things do damage. Shoo. So, I'm gonna try this. No idea what this is. Oh, it does break. Three. There's a microwave. Normal thing. Oh, that's a rifle. Whoa, what's these things do? Oh, mechanical. Where do you get? What? This is so weird. I have. Sure. How exactly? Oh wait, there's oh blackbird. What about those? How do we get these? I know that, but I was hoping that there would be a different way to get them. I mean, of course. Ah! Hey! I want you out. I'm gonna get you. Hey, no, don't leave. Oh, okay. I don't know what those Wolfram guys do, are, or how they exist. Because they change. Oh, rover! Pylon. I don't know why I did. I'm gonna see if there's any. If like there's like any rovers or things that can spawn. Can you die, please? I'm like really attempting to kill you. You're very demanding of you, Dad. I need that cash. So, be a buddy and die. Ah, come on. Just, yeah. Anybody? Ah, that hurts. I have no idea if I did something to outrage anybody. If I did, let me know in the comments. And nice tone. I just wanted, I saw a video. Oh, come on! Really? I just outraged a ton of people. Oh, you didn't die. Nope. Oh, hit him. I suck! I was not focused! Ah. Is there anything? No, come on! This game is not very nice to throw. Where is this? Okay, I'm gonna try to get some of these. So coral, and then I need to. Okay, yeah, sure, why not? Anvil. I have an anvil. Okay, hopefully I can make the entire armor set. Oh, I don't have enough for boots. But I'm missing the snow. The easiest thing to get, and I missed it. Sneakle diddle. So 11. That is like 5%. I probably should have done the hood first. Just. No. I just lowered down my mic a little bit. Hopefully I didn't mess up anything in the recording. Yeah, that's a lot of editing. My microphone was like almost all the way up. That was really dumb of me. I died and they took all my gold! My gold! I needed that! Come on! Oh, that's stupid. I didn't like that. At all. Even a little bit. No. Stop. I got part of it. I'm using the boots. Which I was gonna get if those stupid army... Oh, wait, what? Oh, yeah. Okay. Snowballs. That's awesome. Jeez. I'm like looking at my recording, just making sure everything's projecting everything I want. I don't know. Should I add a face cam? Should I add my face cam? Like, should I add a face cam of me in a little box so like all the time or not? Just so I cannot see. Oh shoot! Just shoot. Ah, I swear, I hate that. So much enemies. It's stupid. What kind of army of things are you sending my way? I can't dodge all of that. Literally, there's 4 on this side, freaking 3 on the other side, all with freaking full HP, and all I have are these lead throwing axes that do freaking 11 damage and don't seem to be affected by this little. I don't know. Something tells me I'm not going to turn. Oh my god. It's not going to. This is going to be an unhappy time. Oh. Okay, I need to go do a mining trip again. Because I'm running out of lead throwing at. I'm scared. I just need. Alright, I've got a system that I kinda like. It's killing them all. Ouch! That did, like, too much damage. I don't like that. Stop. God, okay, these shurikens are actually really nice. They do good damage. Hey, I got some pants! They knew I need pants, so they gave me pants. That's the exact type I wanted. Hey, it's pants! That'd be awesome if it was like... Oh jeez, I forgot. It doesn't have any offer. Try to drop it, but I don't have it. Okay, finally, no storm. Doesn't seem like they increased very much. So. Oh! I missed. Oh, what have been perfect is that? What? Ah, come on! Hey, guys, you got this. Dad, no, guys, come on, shoot, go, come on, thank you. Oh my God, guys, Mental. I'm pretty sure. Oh, I can just walk around. So what else is in it? It used to be... I don't know what to do anymore. I'm kinda just stuck. I need a cave. So, I'm gonna time lapse this till we find a cave. Or something interesting. Something. Of course. So, Oh, that one was a total flop. That cave. Just you would call it a cave. It's more just like a open. I don't know what to call this. It's not a cave though. It's an underground. I don't know what to call it. Man, it's kind of just there. Why are you saying like that? Okay. What is sparking? Fantastic. Ah. Oh shoot, that's me. Shoot, stop. Curtains. Hang on, I need this for something secret. There's literally no reason. I'm just trying to come. What's this thing can do? Nothing. Literally nothing. It's just there again. No recipe after recipe. Like this. Let me say which is thrower clips. Oh. Fan arm. Throwing. Yeah. Oh jeez, that's turning me. Just randomly went on. This is pretty late game stuff though. Acroman. This is like post Plantera stuff. I really want that. That's like, that seems very useful at the moment. But at the moment, I have so more and stuff. Jesus Christ, no, 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 no! Die. Please. That's a dream. Thank you for the book. Man. See my unfortunate events just so happened to be poked by a cactus underground. Yeah. Ah, no! 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 Okay. Can't see. Yes, I knew it. Oh. Holy jeez. Ooh. Can't you make it a...
What the heck? They would just like...
Make a video!
Okay.
That's mean. Alright. They can't hear you when you're making video. Alright. Well, anyway, ooh, tungsten. Can I make anything that is any somewhat of use with tungsten? Like, I don't know, a weapon? Anyways. anything? Alright. No, I don't. Okay, there. Of course not. Yeah, of course not. Armor. Oh.
Fine, I want you
Alright. So anyways.
see that I will.
Anyways, we're gonna be trying to, get any upgrade. Iron would be extremely useful, but weirdly, I have not run into iron. I've run into tungsten and copper, and some chests. I'm still very high up, apparently. What? What? How? How did I manage that? How did I manage to do a slime ring so... What? What happened? How did I do that? I just ran... I'm kind of nervous. Because I've never had a slime ring so incredibly early, to the point where I haven't even gotten a good weapon. I need a weapon. Give me one. Give me now. Give me one now. No, no, die. Thank you. Oh, damn it. Thank you. Robin. Oh. I always confuse. Let's check if there's any... No. Hey! Hey! You know, that's not that bad. Alright then. Alright then. I will. Alright. I'm gonna throw a few bombs. Boom, bum. Ooh. I can't see it. Ow! What's hitting me? I can't see a thing. Ow! What's hitting me? Oh, piranha. I think. Ah! I think I have a mod that's like completely for... Huh. I'll be... Alright, wait, no. Wait, maybe. Should I? I don't know. I feel like I should. But I want to do things. Stuff. What can I use with this? Almost nothing. Great. That's fantastic. That's amazing. That's exactly what I want to say. I can do something with something. Ooh, my burpee. Ugh. What am I gonna do with this? What's a band? That's actually really good. Where does damage 50%? I could save someone's life. That could be a lifesaver, especially something that does a lot of loot. But yeah, I didn't get shoes. I forgot about something. Okay. No, what? Why would you do that? Guy, come on, man. I thought we were cool. I thought we were cool. I mean, it's not helping you either, so why did you do it? Get in the box. Get in the box. I cannot see crap. Why? Ah, there's too many of them. There's so many of them. Why are there so many of these little creatures made out of... I'm dead. I can't move. No! How is... Why does things have to die like me? I appreciate when you guys die. Why? Why? Why is not that one guy in here? This is all your fault.
Yeah.
Please. This video is gonna probably come out a lot later than the other one. Mainly because I'm gonna have to do a lot of editing in this video. Because my sister is making a lot of noise and I have to get rid of it.
You do that to me.
Lily, I'm actually talking to the viewer. Shut up. Lily, that's giving me more time to edit. And you're not posting this to YouTube. I am. Stop moving. Oh God. For these. Fuck you, Tori. I hate you. Guy, for the love of God, just stay in that box. Holy shoot, I'm gonna die now.
Well,
That was close. That was a little too close. Too close for my comfort. My comfort is pretty low standard, so it's not really close. But I'm probably gonna add another mod for right now. It's the Zoklin mod. It's an amazing thrower class mod. It adds so many things. It changes the boom. You can change the boomerangs into other things. And yeah, pretty good mod. Would play again because I am gonna play again, of course. Ah, there's something in my eye. Alright. Iron bars. Finally, I have 13. That's a pretty good one. Copper. Less good, but still can be used. Tungsten. Pretty much useless. And straight. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna go get myself food and get another box. Oh my god. Alright. I returned with the Zoklin mod. Now this is throwing damage. sure. There's also something I would like to get. It's called a... No, it is... That's cool. I don't know why you would need that or anything. I don't know what that does. It might just tell everything. So you can make shurikens. But one thing that's really cool is you can make cards. Now where's the cards? Cards. Let me do that. Cards. Bloom. I need bloom. Now dead cards can be upgraded to crystal cards, cursed cards, explosive cards, golden cards, more golden cards, Ichor cards, and Celestial. Okay. How do you exactly... Oh! Nice! Celestia! That's cool! They added that! I also got myself lunch. Couple of Romans.
Woman.
No, I took...
Romance.
Romans.
You got yourself a cup of romance. Come on.
The only thing that I can really see that are... There's gonna be a little bit of annoyance. Is I mean, I can't really see anything that's really annoying. Oh, shoot! Oh, that's what that meant. Because it's... Oh, it's the only calamity gets affected. That, sir, is bullshit. Don't care what you say. Do not.
Why'd you say that?
That is going to be useful. Ow! Ow! Ouchie. Oh.
I love how you're making a joke just yet. Like there's a fire in our house. It's just an understand.
Not
I
too.
don't know how Among Us got so popular.
Oh my god, that's really useful. Hold on. Well, boom! A boom! Oh, come on, man. Jeez, it was so quick. Can we go farther? It counts the throws. It just doesn't affect. I don't know why it doesn't upgrade them. Like, that's a bunch of. Bo this next chest I'm gonna put down is going to be the herb chest. There's no way I had a throwing axis. That's crazy. Oh. I'm gonna have to cut all of this out. I'm eating.
Ramen. Ramen man. Sister. You know the fact boy.
Alright, we're at the desert. And I don't really know. What to do here. Because there's always that. Because I don't really. Oh yeah, I was hitting the wrong button. That's okay. Oh, okay, that was close. I could not. Do need that. Oh, of course you can do that. You think I'm gonna let you? Oh god, you're breaking my forces, and I do not appreciate that. Ouch. Oh god. Take. Okay. I'm just gonna put down a bunch of these. You're never gonna get past. Oh god, you're starting to get past. I do appreciate it. Hey, stay back. I have knives. Oh god, take the knives. I'm giving you. This is my offering. No, get away from me! No! Something tells me I'm not ready for that. But I think I'm gonna end this video here. Be sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below if you like. And I don't know, outro videos. Bye!